Hi everyone. Welcome to our English Chat channel. I'm Emma, and today we're going to learn 100 daily English questions and answers. It's easy, natural, and fun.
And hey, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our daily English conversations.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little. I'm learning more every day.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza. I can eat it every day.
Where do you live?
I live in Manhattan.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What's your favorite movie?
The Avengers.
Can you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball sometimes.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What time do you wake up?
Usually at 7 a.m.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What's your favorite season?
Summer. I love sunny days.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate is my favorite.
What's your favorite fruit?
Apples. I eat them every day.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite TV show?
Friends. It always makes me laugh.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small red car.
Can you drive?
Yes, but not very fast.
Do you like pets?
Yes, especially dogs.
What's your favorite animal?
Cats. I love their soft fur.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes, not too much.
Do you like walking?
Yes, it's relaxing.
How do you go to work or school?
I usually take the subway.
Do you like reading books or ebooks?
Books. I like the smell of them.
Can you swim?
Yes, I love swimming in summer.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, the sea is my favorite place.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to Canada last year.
Do you like winter or summer more?
Summer. I hate being cold.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice. Refreshing and sweet.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride every weekend.
Do you like movies or series?
Movies. But series are fun too.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Toast and eggs. Simple and quick.
Do you like tea?
Sometimes, especially in the evening.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but only in the shower.
Do you like dancing?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good.
Have you ever been to the mountains?
Yes, last summer. It was amazing.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I try new recipes sometimes.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Do you like watching football?
Yes, especially on weekends.
Do you like to read newspapers?
Sometimes. Online mostly.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax, meet friends, and sometimes go out.
Do you like running?
Yes, it's refreshing in the morning.
Do you like cats or dogs more?
Dogs, they're more playful.
Have you ever cooked a full meal?
Yes, sometimes for my friends.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not too often.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, a little. I'm learning slowly.
Do you like painting or drawing?
Drawing, but I'm not very good.
What's your favorite hobby?
Reading and traveling.
Do you like video games?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
Can you speak any other language?
Yes, a little Spanish.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, last year I went to a music festival.
Do you like swimming in the pool or the sea?
The sea. I love waves.
Do you like mornings or evenings more?
Evenings. They feel peaceful.
Can you run fast?
Not really. I'm slow but steady.
Do you like sweets?
Yes. Chocolate mostly.
Have you ever baked a cake?
Yes, once for my birthday.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, it's exciting.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes, when I was a kid.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes. It's cozy at home.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, a little bit.
Have you ever camped in the forest?
Yes, it was amazing under the stars.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you like shopping online?
Sometimes. It's convenient.
Have you ever been to a museum?
Yes, I love learning history.
Do you like ice skating?
Yes, but I'm not very good.
Do you like watching cartoons?
Sometimes, when I'm nostalgic.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, a little guitar.
Do you like camping or hotel stays?
Camping. Nature's relaxing.
Have you ever gone hiking?
Yes, I love hiking mountains.
Do you like singing in front of people?
No, I prefer singing alone.
Do you like watching the sunrise or sunset?
Sunset. It's peaceful.
Have you ever baked cookies?
Yes, with my sister once.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate, definitely.
Can you dance well?
Not really, just for fun.
Do you like watching sports?
Sometimes, especially football.
Have you ever gone fishing?
Yes, it's relaxing by the lake.
Do you like picnics?
Yes, especially in the park.
Do you like smoothies?
Yes, strawberry is my favorite.
Have you ever done yoga?
Yes, it's calming.
Do you like biking in the city or countryside?
Countryside, peaceful and fresh.
Have you ever visited a zoo?
Yes, I love watching animals.
Do you like watching documentaries?
Sometimes, about nature mostly.
Can you whistle?
Yes, but not very loudly.
Do you like wearing hats?
Sometimes, they are stylish.
Have you ever gone skiing?
Yes, it was thrilling.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, they are exciting, but scary.
Do you like board games?
Yes, with friends it's fun.
Have you ever gone to a theme park?
Yes, last summer.
Do you like camping in tents or cabins?
Tents, more adventurous.
Have you ever tried surfing?
Yes, it was difficult but fun.
Do you like watching the stars?
Yes, they're amazing at night.
Do you like fruits or vegetables more?
Fruits, sweet and refreshing.
Have you ever tried painting a room?
Yes, it was messy but fun.
Do you like coffee shops or tea houses?
Coffee shops, cozy and relaxing.
Do you like fast cars?
Yes, but I drive carefully.
Have you ever visited a castle?
Yes, it was incredible.
Do you like spicy or mild food?
Mild, I can't handle too much spice.
Do you like going to the gym?
Sometimes, for a quick workout.
Have you ever tried baking bread?
Yes, it smells amazing.
Do you like singing along with music?
Yes, quietly when no one is watching.
Do you like to write letters or emails?
Emails, they are faster.
Have you ever flown a kite?
Yes, it's fun on windy days.
Do you like watching fireworks?
Yes, very beautiful at night.
Do you like camping by the lake or forest?
Forest, it's more peaceful.
Have you ever planted a tree?
Yes, I love seeing it grow.
Do you like listening to podcasts?
Yes, about travel and life tips.
Do you like board games or card games?
Card games, they are fun with friends.
Have you ever gone kayaking?
Yes, it's exciting on rivers.
Do you like sunny or rainy days?
Sunny makes me happy.
Have you ever climbed a mountain?
Yes, it was challenging but amazing.
Do you like swimming in a pool or sea?
Sea, I love waves.
Do you like eating breakfast in bed?
Sometimes it's very cozy.
Have you ever visited a farm?
Yes, feeding animals was fun.
Do you like spicy snacks or sweet snacks?
Sweet snacks.
Do you like going to concerts or theater?
Concerts, music is life.
Have you ever gone ice skating outdoors?
Yes, very fun and cold.
Do you like watching the sunrise or sunset?
Sunset, it's calming.
Have you ever tried horseback riding?
Yes, I loved it.
Do you like camping in groups or alone?
Groups, more fun with friends.
Do you like watching horror or comedy movies?
Comedy, it makes me laugh.
Have you ever gone snorkeling?
Yes, I saw colorful fishes.
Do you like quiet cafes or busy restaurants?
Quiet cafes, very relaxing.
Do you like sunrise walks or evening walks?
Evening walks, peaceful and cool.
Have you ever built a sandcastle?
Yes, it was fun at the beach.
Do you like summer or winter holidays?
Summer, more activities outside.
Do you like watching documentaries or movies?
Movies, but documentaries are interesting sometimes.
Have you ever gone ziplining?
Yes, very thrilling.
Do you like eating out or cooking at home?
Eating out sometimes, but I like cooking too.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, with friends last year.
Do you like camping with a tent or cabin?
Tent, more adventurous.
Have you ever tried scuba diving?
Yes, amazing underwater world.
Do you like singing in the car?
Yes, secretly when nobody's watching.
Do you like early mornings or late nights?
Late nights, very peaceful.
Have you ever flown a drone?
Yes, it's fun to see everything from above.
Do you like cooking desserts or main courses?
Desserts, sweet and fun.
Do you like going to the library or bookstore?
Bookstore, I like picking new books.
Have you ever tried paddleboarding?
Yes, very fun on calm water.
Do you like camping in summer or winter?
Summer, warmer and easier.
Have you ever planted flowers?
Yes, in my garden. Very relaxing.
Do you like watching action or romantic movies?
Action, exciting and fun.
Do you like swimming with friends or alone?
With friends, more fun.
Have you ever baked cupcakes?
Yes, very sweet and fun.
Do you like hiking alone or with friends?
With friends, it's more enjoyable.
Do you like watching comedy shows or drama shows?
Comedy, it makes me laugh.
Have you ever made a handmade gift?
Yes, for my mom's birthday.
Do you like biking fast or slow?
Slow, I enjoyed the scenery.
Do you like eating sandwiches or burgers?
Sandwiches, healthier and tastier.
Have you ever gone on a water park?
Yes, very fun with slides.
Do you like quiet nights or parties?
Quiet nights, very peaceful.
Do you like reading fiction or nonfiction books?
Fiction, it's more fun and imaginative.
Have you ever tried painting on canvas?
Yes, a little, but I'm not very skilled.
Do you like hiking mountains or walking in the park?
Hiking mountains, more challenging but rewarding.
Do you like watching sunrise at the beach?
Yes, it's beautiful and peaceful.
Do you like collecting souvenirs?
Yes, from every place I visit.
Have you ever tried yoga outdoors?
Yes, very calming and refreshing.
Do you like watching animated movies?
Yes, very fun and colorful.
Do you like playing outdoor or indoor games?
Outdoor games, more exciting.
Have you ever built a tree house?
Yes, when I was a kid.
Do you like reading in bed or on a sofa?
On a sofa, very cozy.
Do you like drinking coffee hot or cold?
Hot, especially in the morning.
Do you like baking bread or cakes more?
Cakes, sweet and fun.
Have you ever tried archery?
Yes, very challenging but fun.
Do you like exploring cities or nature?
Nature, very calming.
Do you like writing journals or typing on a laptop?
Journals, feels personal and relaxing.
Have you ever tried kayaking on a river?
Yes, very exciting.